me Mandira. Welcome back to my channel. My best friend Shreya has come to my house today. Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Hi. From the time she has come, me, Shreya and Lisha are having great fun. It's so fun to be best friends. We miss going to school. Even PT period, it was so fun. We are playing from morning. We are running out of games. Can we play hopscotch?
Okay, will you take up hand feet hopscotch challenge?
Yes! But how to play that game?
Take these papers. I will be placing hand and feet prints in rows and columns. It will be a combination of hand and feet in each row. You need to start from one end, reach the other end by landing your hand or feet on the corresponding pattern. Suppose there's a mismatch, you need to start from the beginning. Person who has taken minimum time to complete this is the winner.
Oh wow! Let's get started.
Forget what they doing, keep on doing
One, two, three, go! Who is going to play first?
You first. You. Wait. Let's play rock, paper, scissors.
No, wait. The person with earliest birthday month goes first. Whose birthday is first?
Shreya!
Second?
Lisha!
Third?
Mandira!
Okay. So among you, whoever completes first, quickest, they will be the winner. Okay, and you have a special gift. Okay, start. Wait, your timer starts now. Be quick, Shreya, be quick.
Time is running out.
Yes, 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 yes.
Oh no!
Start from the beginning, start from the beginning.
Go. We will do that. And do it. Let's see. Yeah. Good.
Yes, yes. So Shreya has taken 46 seconds to complete. Wow, Shreya.
Thank you.
Okay, next it's Lisha.
Okay.
Okay, start Lisha. All the best. No, hand wrong. Yay!
Okay.
So Lisha has taken 51 seconds to complete. Wow, Lisha! Wow!
I'm so excited and nervous.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no, I got it wrong. Oh no, wrong hand. Should I go?
Go back, go back, go back.
Oh no, get it done. Very good. Mandira, 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 Mandira. Where's the Mandira? Give it. Oh no, my goodness. There I am. Very good. Give it. Then, very good, very good, very good. Then, yes. Mandira, this one, yo. Yes, what's the next one?
Mandira has taken 1 minute 31 seconds. Congratulations, Mandira.
That's more.
That's okay.
Good.
Okay, so winner of this game is Shreya.
Yes! Congratulations! Thank you.
Even though Shreya is the winner, I have bought gift for all three of you.
Wow!
Okay, you can open it.
Wow! Wow!
What's that?
Mama,
No?
Glitter pen!
Glitter pen.
Wow! Thanks for watching my video. Please like,